Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create new note on ClickUp. Maybe you want a space where you can jot down ideas, notes, or information related to your task or projects. So today I'm going to show you how to create new note on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this colorful icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up and here, tap on this notepad option. A new window will appear and here, you will see all the notes that you have made. Now, to create a new note, simply tap on this create new note option. A new window will appear and here, type in the title of your note. Once you are done, simply tap on create to finally create the note. After that, you now have successfully created a new note on ClickUp. You can now keep track of your thoughts and ideas using this new note. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create new note on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create new note on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.